Hey guys, welcome to FP29 Breaks, and today I have an old school box of 2000-2001 SPX hockey. So there are 5 cards per pack and 14 packs per box. And when this came out, you could only buy it in hobby shops. You can see down here, hobby only. So there are 30 SPX short printed rookies numbered out of 1,500. The best rookies to pull would be Gaborik, Martin Havlat, and DiPietro. They don't really go for much, but back then those were the hot rookies. You also get 1 jersey rookie per box, as well as some other inserts. SP Excitement, Highlight Heroes, SPX Extreme Prolifics, and Winning Materials, which are also 1 per box. There are also signed winning materials, which are numbered out of 25. Those are really hard to get. Doesn't really say the odds on the box, but I'm probably guessing it's 1 per case. There are SPX Spectrum Parallels and 500 Gold Club a piece of history cards. Also a signed version as well. So if we're lucky, we can pull an auto. The 1 card I am chasing is the Felix Potvin SPX Spectrum card, which I don't have. The jersey rookies, unfortunately, are nothing to write home about. I think all of them you can probably find on eBay for under $1. Best one would probably be Andrew Raycroft. So I remember back then, packs were going for about 15 bucks. So that means a box would be almost around 150 to 200. But I got this box for a pretty good deal, under $100 Canadian. So let's see if we can pull anything lucky, like an auto. Okay. So we'll do the right side first, because I usually start off with the right side. And let's get cracking. Alright, so we start off with an insert. XP Excitement Vincent Lecavalier. Alright, this looks like another... Is this an insert? Cool. I don't think this one's an insert because it's numbered out of 90. It could be a subset, but it's Jaromir Jagr, SPX Prominence. Okay, here we have a base of Ron Tugnut, Roman Turek, and another SPX Prominent of Martin Brodeur. That's a really nice card. Okay, here we have a SPX Excitement insert of Pavel Bure, Mark Messier, Extra Effort, and yeah, it's a subset. Arthurs Irbe, check out his Jofa helmet and his game-worn pads and blocker. Guy faced a lot of shots. Ole the goalie, and a prominence of John LeClair. Alright, this pack is pretty thick, so I don't think they had decoys back then in 2000, so... Oh, looks like we got a damaged card. And it says, it's interesting here, 5 cards per pack. And you can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards in this pack. Jeff Friesen, that's card 1. John LeClair, that's card 2. Shatan, card 3. Osgood, card 4. Tchaikovsky, card 5. Stewart, card 6. Kolzig, card 7. And another prominence of LeClair, card 8. So actually it was 8 cards. So maybe that's how they would fake people out, just by adding more base cards instead of a decoy. Okay, here we have SP Extreme, Peter Forsberg. And this one is an insert. LeCalvier, Marian Hossa, Extra Effort, Owen Nolan, and Pavel Bure. All right, Heroes Highlight, Chris Pronger, Paul Kariya, Mike York, Tommy Salo, and Ron Francis. A lot of big names and all-stars in these packs. All right, we got a jersey. Paul Kariya. Save that jersey for last. Tommy Salo, LeCavalier, and that looks like Solani. Teemu Solani, Winning Materials, stick and jersey. That is awesome. Check out that stick. It's got system written on it. And a white swatch. It would have been awesome if it was a multicolored swatch. But still, that stick piece is really, really nice. Sweet. Here we have Manny Fernandez, and that's a Spectrum. Numbered out of 50. All right, we got a goalie. Nice. Another insert, Highlight Heroes. Who's that? Brian Boucher. Trevor Kidd. Keith Tkachuk. And David Legwand. All right, time for the right side. Highlight Heroes, Jeremy Roenick, John LeClair, Artur Thierbe, Olaf Kolzig, and a Prominence John LeClair. That's the third time we pulled this card. Highlight Heroes again, Paul Kariya, Dan Kluche, Theo Fleury, Jaromir Jagr, and Marty Brodeur. Got Ray Bourque profiles. Keith Tkachuk, Extra Effort, Prominence of Ray Bourque. Ed Belfour, and Patrick Stefan. Val Bure. Oh, there's our jersey rookie of Jordan Kristanovich. So he had 19 goals and 43 points in his last year in the WHL. Fortunately, I don't think he did too well in the NHL. Not quite sure if he even played a game. But yeah, this card's probably worth $1. Keith Tkachuk and David Legwand. Down to our last 3 packs. Alright, Jagr Prominence. Tugnut again. Alright, we got another Winning Materials. Chris Osgood. Nice. So these were 1 per box, but we got 2, so we got lucky. A real nice card. Chris Osgood. And Mike York. 2 packs left. Tony Amonte. Check out that haircut. Cool. Adam Oates, one of the greatest passers of all time. Jeremy Roenick, Nikolai Antropov, Keith Primo. All right, last pack. Okay, we got a Hasek Profiles insert, Saku, Radek Bonk, Victor Kozlov, and Joe Sakic. All right, so let's go through the hits. Got the Profiles Hasek, Excitement Damonte, Profiles Bork, Highlight Heroes Korea, Highlight Heroes of Roenick, Highlight Heroes of Boucher, Manny Fernandez Spectrum out of 50, Highlight Heroes Pronger, SP Extreme Forsberg, SP Excitement Bury, and SP Excitement LeCalvier, and our 3 jersey cards. Got the CHL rookie jersey of Krestanovich, Winning Materials Chris Osgood, and this sick Timu Solani Winning Materials card. Alright, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.